yung LGU declares state of calamity, then they can access the fund. And
Here,
under your proposal,
yeah, it's the secretary. Secretary has the department secretary has the access to all the funds.
Kahit sa mga funds.
The Dream Department has will have its own funds, of course. Pero in local, we will respect the autonomy of the local government units.
Sa mga foreign donations, ano ito, centralized lang, sa department lang babagsak lahat. Let's say, like example na yung Batanes, kung may gustong tumulong sa Batanes, ng mga foreign funded or organizations, foreign organizations, hindi na diretso sa kanila. Kung may department na, doon na sa department babagsak.
Well, we will make sure all the rules and practices regarding diplomatic disaster diplomacy will be followed. Kasi as we all know, very tricky yan. Pagka kailangan talaga may declaration bago tayo makatanggap. And before nagkakaroon ng confusion, dahil paano ba talaga, dapat with Dream Department, it will be easier to accept foreign aid.